Okay, hello everybody. Just a little tip here. If any of you happen to have come across this problem with a Samsung Silvercare, I think this is a error code that's good for most all machines, but here is the model number of the one that I've got. It's the WF316LAS/XAA. I've had quite a few problems with this washing machine, unfortunately, but I was able to fix it pretty much. I've done a few different things. I've had the drain pump relay go out, but I was able to successfully add one on the on the actual circuit board and get it going. And then all of a sudden yesterday I got the dreaded 7E, which according to the sheet says AEG plus kit error, service is required. Well, AEG actually represents silver, and there is some sort of an issue that has come up with its detection or maybe its operation. But you know what? I don't care. I don't use the Silvercare. So here's a little tip for you if you want to get your machine going to get rid of that dreaded error code. You can bypass the communications for it by going inside your unit. There's a board in the back, and if you look carefully, you'll see there's a pink and red wire. I just simply cut back the insulation and solder the two together, and this will bypass the sensor and your machine will start to work again. So even though the Silvercare may not be working, but you know what, who cares at this point? I just need a washing machine for now until I get another one down the road, and everything is good to go. So hopefully this video will be helpful for you. Please hit the like button, or even better yet, just send me some comments that this helped you. So hopefully this will work for you. Take care.